Storms with torrential rain hit southeastern France last Sunday, June 9. 7 provinces were placed on orange warnings for thunderstorms: Ardèche, Bouches-du-Rhône, Gard, Vaucluse, Drôme, Isère and Haute-Loire. According to the meteorological agency, at the height of the episode, accumulations of 70 to 100 millimeters were observed in 3 hours between Aix-en-Provence and the Étang-de-Berre in Bouches-du-Rhône. The rains were also occasionally very intense in the two Savoys. In Haute-Savoie, a portion of the A40 motorway, towards Chambéry, between exits 13, Saint-Julien-en-Genevois, and 14, Annemasse, was cut off on Sunday evening due to a mudslide caused by bad weather, announced the ATMB motorway network. At 6:30 p.m., a mudslide occurred in the town of Collonges-sous-Alive, due to severe weather having damaged a pipe in the town, near the motorway. The mud spread across both lanes towards Chamonix, making traffic impossible for around 50 meters. The event did not cause an accident. The intense storm episode late in the afternoon in Haute-Savoie caused material damage, according to the department prefecture. In Collonges-sous-Alive and Saint-Julien, heavy rainfall caused flooding of streets, cellars and basements. Some 80 firefighters were mobilized, for a count of 226 interventions in progress or waiting around 11:30 p.m. According to Enedis, at 11 p.m., about 300 customers were still without power in Haute-Savoie, mainly in Collonges-sous-Alive. At the peak of the event, up to 2,000 homes lost power in these two areas. As a result of this storm, a hailstorm hit the Montgessier Tunnel, located in the town of La Canure, on the A75 road. As shown in the images below, the cars barely had time to turn aside to avoid the hailstones. Wishing you peace and good health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you.